This is what we're going to be doing today. I've been waiting on this. We are going to be installing the Carven Progressive muffler. So this is going to be a pretty easy, well, I'm not going to say that, I haven't started yet, but hopefully this is going to be a pretty easy video. It's really just dropping that stock muffler out, replacing it with the Carven. So here it is, the Carven Progressive muffler. Got like there, little stamp on there. Looks like it's a pretty good quality muffler. The welds are nice on there. It's very light muffler. I'm assuming it's much lighter than the stock one. We'll do a little bit of a comparison once I get that off the truck. And then it comes with new clamps. So these two will be clamps that go onto the tailpipes. This one is going to go onto the Y pipe. So I'm pretty sure the only tools we're going to need are just like a socket set. I believe it's a 15mm socket to get the muffler out of there. Good old PB blaster, get it all nice and lubricated to break those stock bolts. And then what else do we need? I think that might be it. Oh, and the Rhino ramps. Let me go grab those and get those set up. This isn't, you don't need these, but if you have them, why not use them? Give yourself a little bit more room under there. Go, there's one. Go to the apps, scroll over, settings, suspension, tire jack mode. That'll disable it. There you go, you're set. Let's jump under here and have a look at everything. So you can see this follows back all the way up here. None of this is getting changed out, and it goes all the way to right here. This is the stock muffler. You can see it's like a lot bigger than the Carven one. So what we got to do is undo that bracket there, that bracket there. That frees up the, I guess it would be considered the axle back section. And then there's the hanger up there. We just gotta loosen that up to drop the muffler. And then back here, that's the main one that goes up to the Y pipe. And we just gotta undo that bolt up there, undo that hanger, and then that's the only thing that's holding this big muffler up. Alright guys, so you can see I've dropped the tips off of the back of the muffler there so we can better and easily pull it out. They're kind of a pain in the dick to get out. You're definitely 100% gonna need some PB blaster or some WD-40 or some other sort of spray lubricant to get these things out of there. These are the exhaust hangers. You're gonna be reusing these on the Carven. For the tips, there's one here and another one right there for the driver's side. So 2 hangers holding this exhaust tip in, and there's only 1 hanger on this side, and it's right there. So the passenger side, it's a lot easier to drop than the driver's, but they're both relatively easy. One more thing I didn't know about. See that little kind of hook right there? that kind of hooks onto the muffler. So when you pull it out there, you just gotta disconnect that. You probably saw me struggling with it there a little bit, but yeah, there we go. Oh shit, we got straight pipe now. Alrighty guys, so there you can kind of see a bit of a comparison there. The stock versus the Carven. Like I said, this super lightweight. That one, not so much. This probably weighs maybe 15 pounds. That probably weighs closer to 50. Now, something I forgot to mention before is that this is the Carven Progressive model. They also have the competition model, and they also have the R. Basically, what I've realized, you know, just by looking at them, is that the muffler itself is bigger on the Progressive versus the competitor, and then the competitor is bigger than the R. So this is technically the quietest muffler that Carven offers. Then the competitor is a little bit louder than this one, and then the R is basically just like a straight pipe. Okay, there you go. This is all tightened up now. Like I showed you before, we reused the exhaust hangers up there. So basically now the muffler's installed. All we got to do is connect the tips, and then we're done. All right, here we go, YouTube. First startup, Carven exhaust. Oh boy, I'm happy. I'm very happy. Do a quick little startup from inside the cabin too, so you can hear that. Oh yeah. Let me turn off the AC. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I fucked up on the install. I used the wrong hangers around the exhaust tips. You probably wouldn't, you know, you probably wouldn't recognize that if I didn't tell you, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. I'm not gonna film it because it's a fuck up, and I like to pretend I'm perfect. No, I'm just kidding. It's kind of boring. I'm not gonna make you guys sit through that. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Stick around for the project. I got more videos coming. I'm gonna do a little how-to video on the grill lights because I got a lot of questions about those on the Facebook page. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you watching these videos. I appreciate all the feedback I've been getting. Stick around for the next one. Later.